Sit straight. Open the English book. Are you open the English book?
Yes.
What is the pun number? A garden of word?
29.
29. Okay. 29 page number. All of you open. Today we learn a garden of word. What we learn? A garden of word. This is the garden of words. A garden of words. Here is a many garden of words. Who read these words? These words, okay. Kavya, you read. Okay.
A garden of words. A, and, at, began, but, came, come, could, cry, do, easily, five, gave, hand, heard, eye, eat, like, looked, many, more, not, now, off, one, only, out, put, quickly, said, shall, she, smiled, some, take, ten, the, there, time, two, took, wanted, was, what, will, would.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Good read, Kavya. Who read now? Okay. Many boys and many students read to prepare. Okay. Now read Arushi.
Garden of words. A, and, at, began, but, came, come, could, cry,
Okay.
do.
Next column, read Vedant. Okay.
Easily, five, gave, hand, heard, eye, eat, liked, looked.
Well, okay. Third column, read Nita. Okay. I'm coming there.
Many, more, not, now, off, one, only, out, put, quickly.
Okay. Fourth column, okay. Soumya Kumari. Read.
Say, shall, she, smile, some, take, ten, the, there.
Good. Very good. This is the garden of words. Okay. Very easy words. But I am asking to you 3-letter words, 2-letter words. Which word is varies? Okay. Now, first instruction, read Kavya.
Number 1. Listen carefully and tick off the words in your chart.
Yes, the chart. Many words are given. You look and listen. I read all words. Words, when I read, that time you look and where is the word? Where is that word? You find it. Okay?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Listen carefully. All of you listen very carefully. Okay?
Yes.
And tick off the word. Tick means like this tick. Right mark in the chart. Very chart. Chart is in your book. This is a chart. What is mean by chart? Tell in Marathi.
Tapta.
What?
Tapta.
All of you good boys. Okay, this is the right mark. Means tick. The word is in your chart. Now I am reading one by one word. You find it. Where is the word? Okay?
Yes.
Yes. All of you read the word. What is the first word? And. Where is and?
The and in word is in a first column.
Okay. Very good. And word is in.
First column.
Okay. Now, next word. What is the next word? But. Where is that word?
The word but is in a first column.
Okay. Good. What is the next word?
One.
One. Okay. Where is that word?
Is the word is in third column.
One is in.
Third column.
Good, good. What is the next word?
Five.
Where is that word?
The word five is in a second column.
Okay. What is the next word?
10.
Okay. What is the next word? Vaishnavi?
10.
10. Where is that word?
The word is in a fourth column.
Okay. What is the next word?
Will.
Will. Where is that word?
The word is in the fifth column.
Which column?
Fifth column. Fifth column.
Okay. What is the next word? Like. Where is that word?
The word like is in a second column.
Good. Second column. What is the next word?
2.
Where is that word?
The word 2 is in a fifth column.
Good. What is the next word?
Cry.
Where is cry?
The word cry is in a first column.
Good. Very good. Next. What is the next word?
In.
Where is that word?
The word is in second column.
Where?
Second.
Second column. Okay. What is the next word?
Do.
Do. Okay. Where is that word?
The word do is in a first column.
Surely.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What is the next word?
Put.
Where is that word?
The word put is in a third column.
Okay. Next. What is the next word? There. Where is that word? There.
The word there is in a fourth column.
Okay. Next. What is the next word?
Now.
Now. Where is that word?
The word is in a third column.
Where is the where?
Third column.
Now. Okay. Now is in third column. Okay. All of you good boys. Now next second instructions. Second, find all 3-letter words. Okay. In the chart, you find 3-letter words. What is mean by in Marathi 3-letter word?
तीन अक्षरी शब्द.
Okay. All of you look and find 3-letter words and copy them in your notebook. Okay. And copy them in your notebook. Okay. Okay. Look carefully chart. First column. How many 3-letter words? Tell me. And. But. Cry. How many words? 3 words. How many words? 3 words. Okay. Now second column. You find it 3-letter words. Her. And next, only one word.
Yes.
Second column in only one word. What is the word? Her. Good. Next column.
Now.
Not. Again.
Now.
Next.
Word.
Next.
Out.
Next.
Food.
How many 3-letter words?
5.
5 letters are in third column. Okay. Now you find it in fourth column. She. Next. 10. The. How many words in fourth column?
3 words.
How many words?
3 words.
3 words. What is the 3 words? She. 10. The. Okay. Now last column.
2.
Huh?
2.
2 means TOO2. Next.
2.
2 means TOW. Okay. Next.
Was.
What? Was. How many letters? No. One is present. Which letter? Will. No. Will is fourth letter. How many letters in fifth column?
3.
How many?
3.
3 letters. Okay. You listen and read carefully words and varies in the chart you tick. Okay. Understand this instruction?
Yes.
Second instruction. Find the 3 letters words and copy in your notebook. Copy them in your notebook. Okay. Understand. Now third instruction. Read the word. Okay. Read the word from any poem and say the line has the word. Any poem, you know, you remember it. Okay. Any words. Like example, begin. They're giving one example. Begin. And they began cry. Which poem? 3 little kittens. They lost your mitten and they began to cry. Now 2. You know, one poem has standard 1. 2 little hands go clap, clap, clap. 2 little legs go tap, tap, tap. And next, 1 little heads go. You don't know? You find it. I don't tell you. 2 little hands go. Okay. You find it all poems. So this is the garden of words. Very easy to understand to you. First you read and after that you collect meaning of Marathi. Okay. तुम्हाला समजलंय सगळ्यांना? पहिले काय करायचे? पहिले शब्द तक्त्यात काय करायचे? पहिल्या सूचनेला अनुसरून टिक करायची. नंतर दुसऱ्या सूचनेला अनुसरून किती अक्षरी शब्द शोधायचे? 3 अक्षरी शब्द. ओके. त्याच्यानंतर काय शब्दाला अनुसरून कवितेतली काय म्हणायची? ओळ म्हणायची कवितेला. बरोबर? कळलं तुम्हाला? चला आता हे शब्द लिहून घ्या. व्यवस्थित चांगल्या अक्षरात लिहायचे. वहीच्या त्या पानात पण लिहायचे. या पानात. ओके. स्टार्ट.